Want to type faster without using your hands? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on voice typing on your Android keyboard in just a few simple steps. If you are using Gboard like Google Keyboard, this process is easy to follow, following along and will be speaking your message, notes and searches with ease in no time. First of all, open any messages field where the keyboard appear. After that, look for the keyboard toolbar. Here you can see the settings icon. If you found them, tap to open it. However, if you don't find the settings icon, don't panic. This time tap on the more icon in the keyboard toolbar, then select settings. Once you are in the keyboard settings, scroll down a little, find the voice typing option, tap on it. Right now this option is turned off. This means your voice typing option disabled, so tap on it to turn it on. After it's turned on, you can back to the keyboard APR page. Here look for the keyboard toolbar again. At the right corner find the microphone icon. This is your voice typing. Tap on it and type anything. For example, please subscribe to my channel, and you will see it. This time it worked. Hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next helpful Android guide. Bye.